Hi everybody, this is Carmel, the Crazy Cricket Lady, and I'm just here to show you how to use the flowers from Creative Fabrica. This is the download file, paper cutting flowers, and it has a whole bunch of flowers in it. But we're going to use flower 19 as an example, because I've already done it, and as you can see, they come in all different file types. We're going to use the DXF file, not the SVG file. And I'll show you why. We'll open up Design Space and we'll start a new project. Okay. To upload the images, you would click Upload. Now, I already uploaded them here, so they're right here. But we're going to go through it just once for you guys. Upload the image, browse to where you had it. I have mine in the downloads file, paper cutting files, and there's a couple of levels to go through here. We're going to go to flower 19, and we're going to upload the DXF file. There it is. You click Save, and there it shows up. Like I said, I already uploaded it, so it's already in here once. Let me show you why you don't want to use the SVG file. The SVG file, if you put it into your images, looks nice here. It's great. It's already cut out and everything's ready. But when you make it a lighter color so that you can see, it's got this line through it that I haven't figured out yet how to get rid of. You can go to Contour, but this section and the line are one piece, and I can't figure out how to separate them. So that doesn't happen when you use the DXF file. So we're going to delete all of this. Just delete it. And we'll go to the DXF file that we uploaded. Now, the DXF file takes a little more work to get ready to cut, but it's worth it. Now, first of all, it on mine, and I don't know if it does this on yours, but it uploads it not in the 0, position on your mat. I don't know why, but it doesn't. So all you have to do is change the position to 0 if that isn't where it loads up on yours. Okay, then change the whole thing. Before you ungroup it, change the whole thing to pink. And as you can see, it's sort of got some weird shapes here, but that's okay. We're going to take care of that. Ungroup it. And we'll take this little flower out of the way, and as you can see, these things are not already cut out. So, we select all of them, weld them, put them back on top of that, and then select both of those and center it. And then slice it. And these pieces now are garbage, and this is the piece you want. You can delete these right away. You do that with the next piece too. Weld it, put it back over that, center it, and slice it. And there's the piece you want. Move it away. Select all of these. Weld them. Back over. Center them. And slice them. With these bigger pieces, it's hard to catch all of them. So you may have to do a couple of them manually. Just hit the, while it selects, hit the shift key and select. Up there, it got the whole thing. Okay. What we're gonna do, we're gonna move these out of the way. And we're going to select them manually. And just go around the circle and select all of them. Weld them. Oops, we missed one. Just eyeball it back into where it's supposed to be. Select all of them. Weld them. Center them and slice them. And I'm just piling all the garbage up down here. Weld them. Center them and slice them. Weld them, center it, and slice it. Okay, then you can take all of this and throw it in the garbage. Just delete it all. Then you stack the flowers on top of each other. And if it isn't pretty to you, you can do them in order and then send each one to the front. And right now you don't have to get them lined up properly. We'll do that in a second. Just want to get them in the right order. Then select all of them, align, and center. And see, this is what the final product looks like. It takes a little more work, but because of that line in the SVG files, and it's not in all of them, just in some of them, but it's just easier to use the DXF files because I still haven't figured out how to get rid of that line. So you can do it with the DXF files, and like I said, it takes a little more work, but you get the results you want, and it doesn't cut that strange line in the middle of it. So this is how to do one of them. If you have any questions or any problems with it, let me know. There is the download file, and that will let you download that. I do get a small commission on this, but they're not that much to begin with, and it adds no cost to you. But I just love the flowers so much that that's what I do. Now this seems to only be a problem in the 11 through 19. The rest of the flowers you can use the SVG file. But in 11 through 19 there seems to be a little problem with that slice in the middle, and I don't know why. And I've emailed the author and told them about it. They just haven't fixed it. So this is how you use those. And just to show you, this is what 11 through 19 look like. And I shrunk them down there so they'll all fit on the same page. You can use all of those flowers, and I just think they're beautiful. And on the blog you'll see what they look like cut out of paper. I separated each of these layers when I made them with a small bit of foam tape to give them some dimension. They're beautiful. This is Carmel. I'm the Crazy Cricket Lady. If you have any questions, you can reach me at my Facebook group. You can email me at blog@crazycricketlady.com. and I'll answer any questions you have. Thanks.